In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I'll show how to add the Yoast SEO title and meta description right from within the Elementor page builder. So you can directly add the SEO title and meta description right from within the Elementor page builder without going to the post backend. So the very first thing you need to make sure that you need to have Yoast SEO plugin installed. The free version is good enough. Then you need to go to pages. Okay, then let's have a look at a page. Let's open this up page at the home backend. Okay, so this is the page and this is an page made with Elementor. So you can add a keyword over here and SEO title and meta description, but this is from the WordPress backend. Okay, and while you're editing the page with Elementor, you will again have to come back over here, exit the Elementor page builder, and then add this SEO title and meta description. So this is a very bit cumbersome. So I'll show you how to add this right from within the Elementor page builder. Okay, so the Elementor is loading right now. It is loading. Okay, the page is loaded. So very first thing you need to do is click over here, settings. Then you get this Yoast SEO option over here. But firstly, you need to make sure the plugin Yoast SEO plugin installed. Otherwise, you won't get this option. You need to click over here. Then to add the SEO title and meta description, you need to scroll down and then you need to click over here, search appearance. Okay, then you get this preview over here. So this is the way you see this is how it will look like on Google or Yahoo or whatever search engine you have. So this is the mobile version and this is the desktop version over here. Okay, so I can type the SEO title, custom SEO title, um, therapy for, okay, great. SEO title will, okay, this is a made up SEO title. Then you need to add the meta description over here. Depending on what keyword you use, you need to type in a bit of meta description. Okay, great. And this is how it will look like, and this is the desktop how it will look like. Okay, great. So this is how it will look like. So make sure you add the good meta description depending on your SEO. You need to depending on your keyword, what keyword you are using. So make sure that the SEO title contains the keyword you have, and also the meta description contains the keyword you have. Or also from over here, you can add the slug. Means you can change the URL of the page right from within the Elementor page builder. And this is how it will look like on desktop, and this is how it will look like on mobile. And you can click on return to your page and save it. Okay. Then after you publish it, this will be saved. Okay. Then you can also check SEO title from over here, SEO analysis and also readability analysis. You can change anything over here, anything within the page content, and check this SEO analysis and readability analysis. And over here, right from over here, you can also edit the SEO title and meta description. Yoast SEO title and meta description. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.